Ninh explains, The Art of Conversation, 10 Ways to Increase Your Conversational Confidence. Sometimes, conversation with people is hard. Maybe you're one of those people who's nervous in social situations. Maybe you're with somebody and are often at a loss for words of what to say next. Are you one of those quiet and reserved types? Or trying to talk to a member of the opposite sex? Maybe you just feel awkward and you just get embarrassed by, well, pretty much everything. Conversation is an art as much as it is a science. And believe it or not, guys, I never used to be good at it. But it is a skill that you can learn how to do. And this video will help you start more conversations and be more talkative. So how do you talk to anyone confidently? Number 1, eye contact. Yes, it's that old devil called eye contact. That kind of worked. Make eye contact with the people that you're speaking to. Be sure to look them right in the eye. But don't overdo it, guys, because otherwise they might think you're a bit of a weirdo. Number 2, body posture. Again, when you're shy, you'll start to close off your body. You'll start facing away, making your body small, crossing your arms maybe, looking away. As humans, we take notice and trust people who are more open with their body language. So make a habit of facing them head on. If you find that's a little bit too confrontational, keep looking at them, but obviously tilt your body away. Once again, guys, don't overdo it, because otherwise people might just think you're a little strange. So practice in front of a mirror if you have to. Number 3, topic. Here's how to never run out of things to say. Use the Ford technique. And no, I don't mean make crappy cars. But Ford is an acronym and it stands for the following. Talk about their family members, who they're related to, etc. Occupation, what they do for a living. Recreation, what are their hobbies, their pastimes, their likes, what do they do in their spare time. And dreams, what do they really want to do in life, what do they really want to achieve. I guarantee if you hit on all of those, then that will be enough ammunition to get you through any conversation. Start talking about your own Fords, not the cars obviously, and watch the conversation flow. Number 4, listening. Probably the most underused technique here. What I want you to do when you listen is listen intently, absorb the information that they're giving you, and start picking out the key words from some of the sentences that they've been saying to you. This will give you extra topics to talk about when you feel that the conversation is running a little dry. Number 5, the spotlight technique. This is a technique I teach a lot of, especially with people who are really struggling conversationally. I'll be making a separate video about it shortly, but in short, to ensure that you talk and listen to the person you're having a conversation with in equal amounts. If you can get them to talk more and they're fine with that, then that's great. But the ideal ratio is 50% listening, 50% talking. Number 6, humility. Nobody likes the guy that toots their own horn all the time. So don't be that guy. Be humble, rein it in. Obviously don't diminish your achievements, but don't blow it in people's faces either. Number 7, humor. People like funny people. Try and inject some humor into your conversation. People who are light-hearted and funny are infinitely easier to talk to. And it'll probably put their mind at ease as well, if they're indeed nervous talking to you. Number 8, be memorable. Nobody likes to be ignored or forgotten. When you're talking to somebody, make it memorable. Try and be different to everyone else that they talk to. Number 9, listen to what you're saying. A lot of people don't think, or they don't pay attention to what they're actually saying to people. This is key in order to avoid social faux pas or inadvertently insulting someone. Use your words wisely, because you might not get a second chance. Number 10, smile whilst you're saying it. Once again, people are more comfortable with people who smile. But don't overdo it, guys. You might want to practice again in front of a mirror, or check out one of my other videos on how to smile properly. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook here. Follow me on social media there. And on a closing note, guys, try out these 10 ways. Practice in front of a mirror, with a close friend, a family member, and watch how you pick up the skills in order to make conversation flow. Obviously, don't diminish your goals and achievements and yourself. Use your words wisely, because you might only get... A lot of people don't think, or they don't append,